This video app review is brought to you by the iPhone appreview.com.
Hey guys, this is Valerie Lauer with the iPhoneAppReview.com, here with a video app review of an application we've had this week called Packing Pro. Packing Pro is an application for travelers, as the name might suggest. It costs $2.99, and it is a universal app that works on the iPad and also the iPhone, if you're looking to rock it on the iPhone. That has really recently experienced some pretty great upgrades that we're going to talk about while I have you here looking at the application, and we'll walk through all the functionalities, how to use it, what it's good for. And let's just put it this way: if you're traveling, you're never going to forget to pack, an extra pair of socks or be short of underwear ever again. This app definitely has you covered. Packing Pro recently upgraded to include a really cool feature like clouds, which is cloud syncing. You can have this app on your iPad and have it on your iPhone and sync your lists automatically. That way you can keep in touch with everyone in your family on the way for a trip. But before I get ahead of myself, let's talk about how to actually set up lists and what all the cool stuff is about this app. So there are some basic instruction sections. It's really detailed, so if you're a little technologically challenged, that should not be a problem. It also has a quick section that tells you all about the new stuff they have on here. And again, just my favorite thing being that there's this cloud sync that just absolutely is wonderful and so makes it so easy to keep all this information organized, etc. You can also tell from here, write a review, leave a rating, contact developer. This is the info section, all very, very basic. The main section that we're going to be interested in first is this My List section up here at the top. The app comes with the demo trip section, which basically shows you an example of what one of your packing lists could actually look like. What happens here is you can actually check off things as you do them. That way they're all taken care of. And in case you couldn't tell, this is extremely detailed. We have clothing sections, accessory sections, toiletry sections, healthcare sections, gadgets, miscellaneous items, like do you bring your a pen, a pencil, and batteries. And the cool part about this is you can actually reorder all the category lists if you so choose to, however you want to. Everything about this application is absolutely customizable. You can actually add item in a new category as well. You have all these pre-made categories to choose from, or you can create a new one if you want to. So pretty cool that you can add new sections just like that without having to go through any stress. You can also edit these anytime you want to. Right here at the top, say, oh, I'm not going to be, let's see, bringing an international driver's license. We're not going out of state, so we'll go ahead and delete that right there from the list, and then we're done. So very, very cool. The tab here, this little settings icon, lets you either select all of them, select none of them, open them, close them, sort them, all different ways, which is really great. Give you totals, what you have and what you haven't, so it's easy for you to keep track of your weight if you're going to be checking bags. You can search. Excuse me, I tapped the wrong thing. You can search, say you wanted to look for the passport entry. You can type in pass, it's a predictive search, very, very easy. And you can also share. Now, this is one of the other cool parts about this application. You can share your list via email, Facebook or Twitter. You can actually send it via email directly. You can export it as a CSV, which you can open in all kinds of different things, or again, app to app. And I'll show you in a second the settings we have already set up where you can actually do that cloud sync if you choose to. Now, if you want to make a new list, you can do that here by tapping the green plus button. You can choose from a sample packing list, or start one from scratch, or go with expert help. So this is, you can tell it, we have one male, one female. We are going on a trip for 5 days. Go with where you're going. Say we're going somewhere hot. We're staying domestic. We're going to be having our food for others, and there's going to be no washing machine available. So you can create lists specifically that way. Trip. Even include your departure information and notes if you so choose. So very, very cool. And then that would appear here on the home screen with your other ones. You can even, as I mentioned before, add notes and dates and all kinds of other information. It's just really a very, very cool application. In case you're wondering, this is all the master categories that come. There are over 500 items, and you can always create your new own ones on your as well. You can create whole new categories. You can create, add things to categories if you so choose to make this just the most customizable, thorough, comprehensive app ever. And here under settings, as I mentioned, there's this iCloud sync. You can actually go ahead and import and export directly from here if you choose to. And kind of cool, we're looking at this design, we're using a suitcase design, but you can actually use all kinds of different layouts. And even if you choose one and you want to change the colors, you can. So again, excessively customizable in every single way. I just think that's really, really cool. Again, like an extra nice little extra touch that if I want to do this in, say, Beach Paradise, I can do it. No, you're not my favorite, so we'll go back to suitcase, but you get the idea. Here at the iPhoneAppReview.com, this application being so thorough and having a pretty, decent price tag, especially if you have a family and you're trying to organize everyone, I can see this being a big, big help. We gave this a 4.5 out of 5 stars. It's priced to move. It's absolutely wonderful, a wonderful resource, and I can't imagine finding a better travel packing app out there that has the cloud sync and all those things that makes it so easy for you to do. So with the iPhoneAppReview.com, this has been Valerie Lauer with a video app review of Packing Pro. Until next time.